Hi there, I'm MJ. I'd love to tell you a story, just a short one. My friend Ruby was having a difficult time with her mental health, and she stopped coming to baseball practice. Our friend Tyler thought she was just making excuses. It made me realize that you never know what someone might be going through. And that's why kindness matters most. We hope you'll join us for this workshop as we talk about feelings, friendship, and how to take care of both our bodies and our minds. Because rainy days come and go, but learning how to support each other lasts a long time.